Sometimes you try, sometimes you don't even try. That's よとするよとする means be about to or attempt to use the volitional form, then add とする It shows someone is making an effort to do something 忘れようとしても忘れられません Even though I try to forget I can't 寝ようとしたら友達から電話が来ました I was about to sleep when my friend called I almost did I tried 言おうとしない means make no attempt to do or doesn't even think about use the volitional form then